Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Thomas, hi Charles, how are you? Charles, I'm fine and you? Thomas, I'm also fine. By the way, what do you want to do in future? Charles, I intend to have a higher degree in business. Thomas, however, where are you going this early morning? Charles, I am going to my cousin to learn something about MBA. Thomas, MBA. Are you interested in MBA? Charles, yes. I'm. Thomas, why did you choose it? Charles, because I want to be an executive in a large company. Thomas, why are you so passionate about it? Charles, for 2 reasons. One is good working atmosphere and other is good. Thomas, my aim is different. I want to study ELT. ELT means English language teaching. I want to have an MA degree in ELT from Russian University. Charles, why did you choose that? Thomas, I want to teach English at different levels. I would like to raise the standard and quality of English in India. Developing 4 skills of language learning among our students is my mission. Charles, it's wonderful. Thomas, yes, it's essential for human resource and development. Charles, yours is also an excellent idea. Thomas, thank you. Charles, you are most welcome.